Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Sheila Ibay Sisidis. I am 41 years old, married, and living in Malaybalay, Bukidnon, Philippines. I have two wonderful children, ages 16 and 13 years old. I have four brothers and three sisters. I am the seventh child of the family. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My first experience is in Kuwait from 2015 to 2017. My main duties and responsibilities there is cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and taking care of the children as well. To my employer, I will guarantee that I will persevere my work. I am also a responsible, hardworking, loyal, trustworthy, and honest, and willing to learn the task you given to me. And to my future employer, if you given me a chance to work with you, I promise to do my best, my duties, and my responsibilities. Thank you, and God